In today's video, I'm going to teach you Jotform AI Agents promo code updated 2026. If you're looking for a Jotform AI Agents promo code, the most important thing to know is that Jotform does not use or require promo codes for this offer. Instead of entering a discount code manually at checkout, Jotform applies eligible discounts and offers automatically to your account. That means you do not need to search for a working code or worry about whether a coupon is expired. To get started, go to the official Jotform AI Agents page. This is where you can learn more about the platform and explore how it's positioned as a customer service solution. If your goal is to save money, the good news is that Jotform already provides several built-in ways to reduce the cost, depending on the type of plan you choose. First, there is a free tier. You can start building, training, and testing Jotform AI agents completely free. This is a great option if you want to explore the features before committing to a paid plan. It also gives you a chance to understand how the tool works in a real workflow without any upfront cost. Next, if you decide to upgrade, Jotform offers an annual billing discount. When you choose yearly billing instead of paying month to month, the platform can automatically reduce your monthly rate by up to 20%. This is one of the simplest ways to save if you already know you'll be using the service long term. There are also special discounts for education and nonprofit organizations. Educational institutions can receive an automatic 50% discount on bronze, silver, and gold plans, along with 30% off Jotform Enterprise. Nonprofit organizations also receive a standard 50% discount on regular premium plans. These discounts are especially useful for schools, universities, charities, and similar organizations working within a budget. To review the latest savings options and compare plan details, visit Jotform's official discounts page or pricing page. That's the best place to confirm current rates, available plan tiers, and eligibility for automatic savings. Since offers can change over time, checking the official pricing information is a smart final step before upgrading. So, to sum it up, there is no Jotform AI Agents promo code you need to enter. The savings are built directly into the platform through the free tier, annual billing discounts, and organization-based discounts for education and nonprofits. If you want the most accurate and up-to-date information, use the official Jotform pages and let the system apply the available discount automatically.